This is Hamza.
Yeah.
Hamza is the builder.
My friend is.
Oh, Rafiki.
Go.
He's the
It's okay,
builder.
yeah.
He's the builder. Okay, so as we discussed, we found a builder. Everybody likes him. Louis likes him. He's good. Everybody likes Louis. So I'm going to tell him what we're going to do from Mary's survey, and then he's going to tell me what he needs to do. So Hamza.
Yeah.
Obviously we discussed it already. First project, we make flat
Flats, yes.
up to here.
Up to here.
Up to here. We're
Yeah.
gonna measure it. You've got the tape measure.
Yeah.
It's about 25 meters, give or
25
take,
meters,
30 meters maybe,
All right.
to the road.
Yeah.
We make flat here. We make wall here.
Yeah.
Keep the palm. I like napenda. Napenda. Don't cut it down.
All right.
And two, we have in Billy.
Maybe from here, can I just leave it?
Yeah, a little bit. Walkway.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this nice coral wall that you're building.
Yes.
Yeah. Same. Coral wall here and a walkway down.
Walkway down.
This is phase 2.
That's
The phase 2, poly.
Poly.
We make flat. I need one wall.
Yeah.
Or maybe we speak to the neighbor.
Okay.
The wall needs to go higher.
Okay.
And then the wall there.
Mm-hmm.
And then a wall at the back.
Yep.
Wall at the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then this area here, flat. And also concrete. Because this is where the school, the marine center is going to go.
Yep.
So that's going to be once it's all done, we get container, then we come back, we talk again.
Yep.
So you tell everybody what we need, what you need, what you want.
For this place already, I saw, but I need here to bring the machine here.
Machine.
Yeah,
We need a machine.
Yeah, to make the levels. But before check the levels, I need a surveyor.
Surveyor's done.
Yeah,
Surveyor's done.
okay.
Surveyor's done. Mary came, I have. No problem.
Yeah, it's okay. So first you need machine to make the platform here, make it levels, site clearance.
Site clearance.
Yeah. To clear all the site, bush clearing.
Yeah,
here.
bush clearance.
Yeah, to make it levels, and after levels, and I can discuss it, what you need. Yeah.
How much fill we need.
Yes.
Yeah.
But now, first I think site clearance.
Site clearance.
Yes, yeah.
So site clearance,
is first.
and then machine.
Yeah.
Site clearance, machine,
Yeah.
and then we backfill everything.
Backfill.
We
Yes.
make a pretty wall,
Yes.
and then we make the base for the school there.
Best for the school.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And then walls.
Yeah. I think the one by one. Let me first to cleaning.
Yeah.
After cleaning, say need this one.
Yeah.
Like this. Taratibu, pole.
Yeah.
Then you can come in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's good. Cleaning, no problem. Okay, so how I'd like you to do it is you just give me a quote.
The cotton.
Yeah, give me either on a document or on a WhatsApp.
Yeah.
We'll work it out. Don't worry.
For me, I think let me after cleaning first.
Ah.
You can see all the
All the
plots.
space. Yeah.
Then to discuss from there. But now discussion for cleaning.
Yeah.
first. Yeah.
Discussion for cleaning.
For cleaning first.
Yeah.
After cleaning, chop, and to cut the
stump.
the stone. What you need to flat here.
Yeah.
And I don't know for the levels for you what you need, because there's up, here's down. But what you need level here. You need level for same like there.
Yeah.
Or yes. Oh, you need slope like this.
No, I want level.
You need levels.
Yeah.
So here you need to make the fence here.
Yeah.
Okay. After the fence, then so first cleaning. After cleaning, then discuss it. Another job.
Okay. Yep. Well, then we can build the wall here
Mhm.
because it's very deep there. We can build the wall here.
Yeah.
Then we don't need as much. We don't need as much fill, right?
Yes. Okay.
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 I like the plan. Clean it out,
Yeah. To clean all.
Clean out.
To clean it earlier.
and then we
Discuss.
discuss,
Yeah.
and then we say, right, we
Be-
put wall here.
Because you can see all the plots, then you can say, okay, from here I need this one. From
Yeah.
here, that now is too much bush here.
Yeah. It's very high over there. Look how high it is there.
It's
and
too,
over there.
it's too high. Yes.
Ah.
After then you discuss how much you need, because after cleaning this, after cutting,
Yeah.
you can see how much is the wall you need to build the wall. How much? Then it's come level for there. See.
Yeah. All right. First plan, clean it up.
Okay. For me, let me do the quotation for how much for cleaning here. Then you can be. So can you show me well And from there, already cut the bush there.
Yeah.
Up to where? Up to the orange green there. All right, it's okay.
Everything. There's a wall here. There's a wall.
Yes.
A wall.
I understand. It's okay.
And then the wall. You
Up
need
to
to
there.
build the wall down there. I'll write it down. I'll do a little. I'll do a spreadsheet or a PDF and send you.
You can
exactly.
send it.
Yeah, clearing. You put a figure.
Yeah.
Wall. We put a figure.
Yeah.
This wall. We put.
Steps.
Easy.
But yeah.
Okay. Good.
It's okay.
All right. And then this one. Phase 2. This one is for maybe guest house accommodation, but this one we make first. Up here.
Yep.
We make easy, and then we work on it. Yeah.
But very good view.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? That's why I want to build there. I want a nice view across.
Yeah, you can see there. Yeah.
Maybe 2 stories up here.
Yeah. From the this is
Coco. Mukoko.
Yeah.
Mukoko. Yeah, Nyamandi Conservation Area.
Yeah, all right.
Okay,
It's together to see you.
Perfect.
Yeah, very nice.
Marine biodiversity credits are being developed differently here, by indigenous communities, on their own land, using their own knowledge. Using the Savambo methodology, local people map, monitor, and restore ecosystems like mangroves, seagrass, and coral reefs. The data they collect is scientifically verified, transparent, and directly linked to real biodiversity outcomes. This isn't conservation imposed from the outside. It's conservation owned by the people who have protected these ecosystems for generations. Biodiversity credits, done right, don't just protect nature. They fund livelihoods, preserve culture, and regenerate entire marine ecosystems. This is what the future of conservation looks like.
Nzuri sana. Asante kaka. Look at a rock there.